Hello, good morning students. Welcome to your science class. Today we will do revision of chapter 2. Please open your book page number 16. Everybody be ready with your book and open your book page number 16. Okay, be ready with a pencil and please write down in your book the answers that I am giving you. The first question is, the first tooth generally starts to appear when a child is dash months old. Your answer will be 6 months old. Once again, I repeat, the first tooth generally starts to appear when a child is 6 months old. Answer is 6 months. The second question is, there are dash teeth by the time a child is 2.5 years old. Your answer will be 20. There are 20 teeth by the time a child is 2.5 years old. Okay, answer is, I repeat again, 20. There are 20 teeth by the time child is 2.5 years old. The third question is, the second set of teeth is called permanent teeth. The second set of teeth is called permanent teeth. The second set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Next one is question number 4. Teeth are of 4 types. Teeth are of 4 types. What are they? Canine, incisor, molar and premolar. What are they? Canine, incisor, molar and premolar. Okay. Next one is, the softest part of the tooth is called pulp. The softest part of the tooth is called pulp. Okay. Now we'll just turn your book page number 18. Turn your book page number 18. It's time to practice true and false. Okay, first we'll do the true and false option. The first one is, milk teeth are formed after the permanent teeth fall. So, is it true or false? Milk teeth are formed after permanent teeth fall? No, it will be false because permanent teeth comes after the milk teeth. First milk teeth comes and then the permanent teeth comes. So, your answer will be false. Okay. Next one is, eating too many sweets cause cavity. Answer will be true. Answer is true. So, if you eat too many sweets, your teeth will be damaged. It will have cavity in it. Now, the third one is, crown is a part of tooth that cannot be seen. So, it will be, answer will be false because crown is the part above the gums and it is seen easily. It is only the part which is seen. Okay, so the answer will be false. Next one is, germs first attack the animal. I repeat the question. Germs first attack the animal. Answer will be true. Once again, I'll repeat. Germs first attack the animal. Answer will be true. Now, the next question. Come to next question. Again, I request everybody that please be ready with your book and please mark everything in your book. Don't sit simply and watch the video. Okay, children? Be ready with your book and mark in your book positively. If you don't have the book, please write the question in your copy and write the answers because I am going very slow. so that you are able to write. Even if you don't have book, you will be able to write the answers. Now the second one is you have to tick the correct option. Toothache can be avoided by, options are eating very less sweets, brushing teeth regularly, eating a lot of salad and drinking milk. And the last option is all of these. So we know all these three are useful. All these three are useful in good health of the teeth. So toothache can be avoided if we eat less sweets, brush teeth regularly, and eat a lot of salad and drink milk. So your answer will be all of these. So I repeat, your answer will be all of these. Okay, your answer will be all of these. Next question is, this is a part of tooth. The question is, this is a part of tooth. The first one is root. Okay, another option is bird, then stem, and then fruit. So your answer will be root. Root is a part of tooth. Bird, fruit, stem, these are the parts of plant, not teeth. Okay, but root is a part of teeth. So your answer will be root. This is used to clean between two teeth. So what is used to clean between two teeth? Toothpick, toothpaste, dental floss, or tooth powder. Your answer will be dental floss, because dental floss is safe way of cleaning between two teeth, not the toothpick. Okay, toothpick is not useful. It can just harm your gums, but dental floss is a safe method. You can use it. Next one is, tooth decay causes. What does tooth decay causes? Bad breath, toothache, then itching, both A and C. So your answer will be both A and C. Answer will be both A and C. Okay, tooth decay causes bad breath also, itching also it is caused, and actually toothache is also caused, but both A and C is the answer. Okay. So once again I am going to repeat the true and this one multiple choice questions. Okay, so just pay attention. If you could not write anything, please you can do it now. Toothache can be avoided by eating very little sweets, brushing teeth regularly, eating lot of salad and drinking milk, or all of this. Answer will be all of these. Then the next one is, this is a part of tooth. Answer will be root. This is used to clean between teeth. Answer will be dental floss. Tooth decay causes, the answer D option answer, both A and B. Now come here, come to match the following option. Okay, in match the following option, the first one, pulp. Pulp contains the blood vessels and nerves. Pulp contains blood vessels and nerves, so answer will be 1. Okay, 1. Here C option. Okay, here C option. Blood contains blood vessels and nerves. Pulp contains blood vessels and nerves. Next one is canine. Canine is tearing. It is used for tearing food. Canine tooth is used for tearing food. Now what is dental floss? Dental floss is a soft thread which is used to clean your teeth. Okay, so what is dental floss? Dental floss is a soft thread used to clean the teeth. Now next one, milk teeth. So what is the number of milk teeth? It is 20. So number of milk teeth is 20. So it will be 4. Here it will be 4. Okay. Then incisors. What are incisors? Incisors are cutting and biting. They are used for cutting and biting food. So what are incisors? Incisors are type of teeth which is used for cutting and biting of the food. Okay. So please mark this things in your book, whatever practice we have done today, and please learn them by heart. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children.